This is the second in a series of 4 videos that will show you how to set up a Canon IPF8000S. In this video, you will learn how to set up the paper basket. Begin by inserting the end of the basket rod into one of the basket arms. Then, insert the other end of the basket rod into the other basket arm. Next, insert the basket arms into the holes on either side of the bottom stand stay. Then, secure the arms to the stay by tightening one screw on each side using the Allen wrench. Next, place a rod holder adapter into each stand leg, and insert a pinch rod holder into both rod holder adapters until it clicks. Next, lay out the basket cloth so that the white tag is at the front on the right side and the black straps are in the back. Position the basket cloth under the printer as shown. Next, attach both ends of the basket rod to the holes in the bottom of the rod holder. Then, loop the black string on the back side of the hook on the top of the rod holders. Next, attach the basket rod to the ends of the basket arms. Then, pull the basket rod all the way forward, lift it up, and lock it into place. The basket setup is now complete. The next step is to remove the packing materials and install the print heads, which can be seen in the next video.